Hi kids, how are you? These are all the color bottles. Orange color, brown color, red color, black color, green color, yellow color. Okay, let's draw the alphabets. Brown color, A. A for apple. Sky blue color, B. B for ball. Pink color, C. C for cat. Purple color, D. D for dog. Orange color, E. E for egg. Red color, F. F for fish. Black color, G. G for gun. Yellow color, H. H for hat. Grey color, I. I for ink. Green color, J. J for jar. Blue color, K. K for kite. Light green color, L. L for lion. Brown color, M. M for monkey. Sky blue color, N. N for nest. Pink color, O. O for ox. Purple color, P. P for pig. Orange color, Q. Q for queen. Red color, R. R for rose. Black color, S. S for sunflower. Yellow color, T. T for tower. Grey color, U. U for umbrella. Green color, V. V for van. Blue color, W. W for woman. Green color, X. X for Xerox. Blue color, Y. Y for yellow. Sky blue color, Z. Z for zebra. Let's learn the alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? Bye kids.